Looking for a natural way to boost hair growth? Let's make a powerful remedy using just two ingredients: onion juice and coconut oil. First, peel 2 to 3 large onions and rinse them under cold water. Then, chop them into small pieces. Place the chopped onions into a blender and blend until smooth. If you don't have a blender, you can grate the onions instead. Now pour the blended onion mixture through a fine strainer or cheesecloth into a bowl. Press down to extract all the juice. Next, mix the fresh onion juice with 2 tablespoons of pure coconut oil. Coconut oil nourishes and strengthens your hair, making it the perfect partner for onion juice. Apply this mixture directly to your scalp, massage gently, and leave it on for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Use this remedy twice a week, and you'll start noticing stronger, healthier hair. Try this simple natural hair growth remedy and see the results for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more natural beauty tips.